Hello and welcome to Slow Spoken English. I'm Diana.
And I'm Richard. This podcast is for people who are learning English.
We speak slowly and simply. Today, we are going to do something fun.
We are going to pretend we are on a first date. Going on a first date is a very common life experience, and we would like to assist you with this. Just in case you are dating someone who speaks English, right now we are pretending we are meeting at a cafe near the Sydney Opera House.
Let's begin.
Hi, are you Diana? I'm Richard. It's so nice to meet you.
Hi, Richard. It's great to meet you too. What a lovely cafe.
Yes, you can see the Opera House from here. It's beautiful. So do you mind if I ask, what do you do for work?
Not at all. I'm an accountant. I work with numbers every day. It can get very busy, but I do enjoy it. What about you?
I'm an ecologist. I study nature and the environment. I work for a not-for-profit organization.
Oh, wow. That sounds really meaningful.
Thank you, I love it. So, from your accent, I'm wondering, where did you grow up?
I grew up in the United States, but I have lived in Sydney for a few years now. How about you? Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Newcastle. It's a city north of Sydney. I moved to Sydney for work a few years ago.
I've been there. I love Newcastle. It has a great beach.
It does too. Okay, next question. What kind of food do you like, and should we order some food or just coffee?
I love Italian food, pasta, pizza. I could eat it every day. What about you?
I like simple food. Fresh fish, a good burger. I also like Thai food.
Oh, yes, Thai food is so good.
I could talk about food all day. But let's order some coffees and see if we have enough to talk about to hang around for some food.
Great idea! The view of the Opera House will go perfectly with a flat white.
So true.
Okay! And that is the end of our role play for today. Do you think Richard will get a second date?
Well, Diana, I should hope so. Haha, we have actually known each other for around 4 years now. We hope this conversation will help not just your English skills, but your dating skills as well.
Thank you for listening, everyone. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe for more great English conversation and dating tips.
We will see you in the next episode. Cheers for now.
Goodbye!